Hi ladies and gentlemen, this is Game of Trades and this is going to be a technical analysis of the natural gas futures. So in my last video on natural gas, I talked about natural gas being at the potential end to its downtrend that started back in the end of 2018. Talked about this downtrend line that we formed here in 2019. Um, and we had some pretty nice divergence here. Natural gas making lower lows, being in a steep downtrend, but the MACD telling another story, starting to make higher highs. That's definitely all signs of a potential reversal, and that's what I've been saying for a while now about natural gas. This to me looks like a huge reversal pattern, and I see natural gas going higher. In the future, at least during the winter months. Definitely, I do see bigger rallies coming in natural gas, especially seeing how low the price has gotten recently. So the last video I made was around right before the break of trend line, talked about the divergence and the potential impulsive break of trend line, and that's exactly what we got. Now I talked about a potential trade setup being triggered on a break of the trend line, and considering that's exactly what happened, I consider this a successful trade. We have hit our target, this 2.58 level, 2.48 level, sorry. That is sufficient, just below the resistance level. That is perfect. So this is around a 8% profit on natural gas. So that would make it a 24% on UGAZ, a 24% profit trade. So that's a very successful, especially considering this is only the first target, and this is actually my longer term target for natural gas. You know, it is playing out. We have an impulsive break of the trend line, and now we are retesting this huge 2.5 level that natural gas broke in 2019. I'm going to show you guys what kind of a level this is. This is the 2.5 level that we're retesting right now. This is the level that held for around 3 years. Natural gas was bouncing up and down off of this level. We recently broke it and we are retesting it as we speak today. So do I think that we'll go past it like it's nothing? I don't think so. This is a huge level and very tough resistance for natural gas, and seeing the rally that it already had made with the RSI starting to get into the overbought zone. We're really starting to make some overbought readings. I don't think that we'll burn through the 2.5 level just yet. I do see a period of consolidation coming for natural gas. We can bounce down and reverse and then shoot back up, or we'll just have some sideways action for a couple weeks and then we'll break the level. So there's two ways you could potentially trade natural gas right now. I'm going to tell you the two ways, and then I'm going to tell you which one I'm doing. You can either sell your position of natural gas right at resistance, which is actually such a nice way to do technical analysis. Buy at support and sell at resistance. This is technical analysis 101. That would be a very nice selling opportunity right now. And then you could re-enter as we break back above the 2.5 level to carry on all the way to our next target, which is around 2.9. This is a longer term target. Obviously, I don't think that we'll hit this in the next few weeks, but it is definitely an option for the next few months. So that's the first way, sell your position and then re-entry on a break of the resistance. And the other way, the way I'm going to do it, just because it's a lot less trouble for me. I'm going to raise my stops to 2.4, and I'm going to keep my position If we start heading down below 2.4, my stop will be activated. I'll sell the position. If we don't go below 2.4, then I'm gonna just write it out all the way to 2.9 and probably raise my stops along the way. Now the advantage with this is that in the unlikely scenario where we do shoot straight up past this 2.5 level, well, I'm keeping my position and I'm not selling whilst the momentum is up. And that is one thing that's very important in technical analysis. When the momentum is up, why should you sell? Why should you sell when the momentum is in your way? We've got such a strong rally, the MACD pointing up, the RSI pointing up, big green candles. This is potentially a very powerful move coming in natural gas, and it could break past this 2.5 level. So that is the way I'm going to go. I'm just going to be raising my stops to 2.4, and if it goes below, so be it. I'll be looking for a re-entry at 2.5. Now if it does start to crack down below 2.4, that would probably be a backtest scenario. That's obviously very common when you have a break of trend line. What the commodity or stock tends to do is come back to retest this trend line and then shoot back up off of the trend line impulsively, and that would actually give us the strength to break past the 2.5 level. This would be just like a period of consolidation. This would bring the RSI back down to normal levels, and then we could shoot up past the 2.5 level. That's another scenario that I'm looking for that would be even more healthy for natural gas in the future. And if this scenario plays out, obviously, we'll be looking to make a position on the backtest of natural gas. Let's not get ahead of ourselves. We'll see if we do start to get below the 2.4 level. If we do, that is probably what is going to happen. Now, longer term for natural gas, as I said, I'm looking for this 2.9 target. We're starting to have signs of an uptrend. We're starting to make a higher high here, especially if we break the 2.5 level, or if we reverse off of this back test, we'll have a higher low, and that's another thing that you're looking for when you're looking for an uptrend. You're looking either for a higher high or a higher low, and that's in either case what we'll have, at least in my opinion. And another thing to watch for the potential increase in price of natural gas is the MACD starting to go above the zero line. You can see the MACD was below the zero line all the way through this downtrend right here, and it is above the zero line when it is in an uptrend, and we're starting to crack above, giving us additional sign of a potential uptrend in natural gas. So I'm very confident in this commodity. I'm paying a lot of attention to natural gas right now. It's going the way I'd like it to go. I've been waiting for this reversal pattern to play out for a long time. So I hope you take advantage of this too. I hope you bought at the break of trend line like I did. And that's about all I wanted to cover on natural gas for today. I hope you guys enjoyed the video. If you did, make sure to like and subscribe if you haven't already. In the meantime, good luck on your trading, and see you next time.